Hi folks, my name's John Newbery. I am a Bitcoin protocol developer and the founder and director of Brink, a non-profit that supports open source Bitcoin protocol development. Bitcoin is an open network and the software that runs it is open source. That means that anyone can view, download, and modify the source code that powers a Bitcoin node. That openness is very important to Bitcoin's philosophy of decentralized and neutral money. It also means that the Bitcoin software is maintained and developed by a decentralized and distributed group of developers. Some of those developers work in their free time, and some are supported by sponsors. Some people are surprised to learn that there are still Bitcoin protocol developers. They think that the protocol is finished and there's nothing left to do. In fact, Bitcoin developers are always fixing bugs, improving performance, adding new features. Other people are surprised that there are so few people working on what is now a $1 trillion network. It's difficult to know how many people work on Bitcoin, but by my estimate, there are maybe 20 to 30 people working full-time on Bitcoin Core, which is the reference implementation of Bitcoin. Let's have a look at some numbers. Here we can see the changes made to Bitcoin Core in the years 2012 to 2020. And we can see that in 2012, around 500 to 600 pull requests, those are changes, got added to Bitcoin Core, going up to around 13 or 1400 in 2020. If we look at the number of unique reviewers, in 2012, there are around 120, going up to around 350 in 2020. And if we look at the number of unique comments left on those changes, so people reviewing and leaving comments, there were just under 10,000 in 2012, going up to a little over 40,000 in 2020. So we can see those are all good things. There are more people working on Bitcoin Core and reviewing the code. But let's have a look at the price. In 2012, one Bitcoin was around $5. In 2020, the price was $20,000. In 8 years, the number of developers have gone up maybe 2 or 3-fold, but the price has gone up more than 1,000-fold. I've been working in Bitcoin since 2016 and founded Brink to tackle what I think are the 3 most important challenges in open source development. 1, how do we support open source developers so they can continue to work on Bitcoin full time? 2, how do we find, train, and retain the very best talent to work on Bitcoin? And 3, how do we ensure that donors' money is effectively spent? Bitcoin is a non-profit organization incorporated in the US. We exist solely on donations from individuals and corporations. If you'd like to find out more and support Brink, go to brink.dev. My name's John Newbery. I am a Bitcoin protocol developer and the founder and director of Brink.